Jump cuts can make your video look choppy and unprofessional. If you want to smoothly blend two clips without noticeable cuts, here's how to fix it using Morph Cut in Adobe Premiere Pro. First, open your project in Premiere Pro and find a jump cut you want to smooth out. Next, go to the Effects panel and type Morph Cut in the search bar. Drag and drop the Morph Cut effect directly onto the cut between the two clips. Premiere Pro will analyze the frames to create a smooth transition. Wait until the analysis is complete. Once it's done, play the clip to check the result. If needed, adjust the duration of the morph cut in the timeline to make the transition look more natural. That's how you remove jump cuts and create seamless transitions in Premiere Pro. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe for more helpful guides. And if you found real value in it, a super thanks would be greatly appreciated.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.